What's going on, everybody? So today I have a product that I just installed on my Q60. I'm gonna put the link in the description. These are paddle shift extenders for if you have this Infinity Q50 Q60 model with the smaller paddle shifts on the steering wheel, which are steering wheel mounted instead of column mounted. You can add these paddles to not only for looks, but I think it has somewhat of a function to it. It's a little bit bigger. These actually feel really heavy, really good quality, and they actually have the minus and plus on them as well, which is just like the stock ones. If you guys want to paint these, I mean, I would suggest if you paint them. I got them in red because of my seats are red, but the install is pretty simple. They come with 3M tape already. Just peel off the top layer and stick them on there and you're good to go. So I'm gonna let these dry overnight, get a good adhesion on there, and should be good. But I'm really excited to finally get some paddles to kind of enhance the look of the inside of the car. I know this is not a super sports car or anything like that, but to me this is something that I've always wanted in my car. The small paddles were always a huge complaint of mine. So hopefully you guys maybe pick these up and also give me your feedback on them. But I would definitely want to see these painted maybe in black or a different color or yellow, something fun, and see how they come out. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.